The snow leopard. The gray ghost. Found in the high country of Central Asia, walking the ridgelines or stalking the mountain slopes, no one really knows how many snow leopards inhabit this incredibly rugged landscape. This gray ghost was a female with 2 half-grown cubs who were missing, but probably fast asleep. Incredibly, despite the distance, we could hear her calls, which grew increasingly emphatic until her cubs finally rejoined her. For us, it was a tense, exciting time. The distance was so great, nearly a half-mile, that if our lenses left the cats, we ran the risk of losing them. Tiny specks virtually invisible to the naked eye. The 3 bounded down the steep slopes towards their kill. The leopardess seemed to avoid the snow, while the cubs appeared to enjoy it. Snow leopards always run the risk of losing their kills to wolves. This time she was lucky, and her kill remained untouched. The 3 fed for an hour or so, sometimes together, but sometimes one cub at a time. The male cub often fed alone, foreshadowing his future as a solitary hunter of the high country.